Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the essentials, define one primary customer persona, and list their top 3 problems. Once done, run 5 interviews and launch a one-page landing to capture interest. Measure 0, 5 conversion or click intent. Next, set clear success metrics, revenue goal, customer acquisition cost cap, and a 90-day timeline. Make sure to document assumptions. You will invalidate or confirm them fast. This aggressive beginning gets you actionable data instead of guessing. You now convert validated demand into a lean product. Implement only core features with about 70% polish so you can ship quickly. Once released, run short experiments, /B headlines, 2 pricing tiers, and 1 streamlined onboarding flow, and measure behavior. Make sure to collect both quantitative metrics and qualitative feedback. Prioritize improvements by impact divided by effort. Then iterate. Fix the highest impact friction. Redeploy and remeasure. This loop shortens time to product-market fit. You coordinate a focused launch across 2-3 channels: email to early signups, targeted ads, and 1 partner or PR push. Align timing to a single date. Once live, monitor key metrics for the first 7 days, conversion rate, churn signals, and support volume, and respond quickly. If uptake is weak, run a single revalidation. Revisit positioning or pricing and pivot only one major lever at a time. Troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, isolate variables and /B test the highest leverage change first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.